What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best low-light video cameras for 2022. Through extensive research I've put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers, so whether their price, performance and particular use, we got you covered. For more information on the products I've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the latest prices. Like this video, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The fifth product on our list for today is the Panasonic HCV770 HD camcorder, the best budget low-light video camera to be found on the market for 2022. If you need to save some money and don't need 4K video recording capability, the Panasonic HCV770 is a great option. Though it only shoots at 1080p, it features a 20x optical zoom that has a very bright f1.8 aperture when shooting at wide angles. This means it's possible to use this camera in relatively dark conditions, particularly with the aid of the optical image stabilization. An excellent microphone helps you record good audio, regardless of how much light is available. You also get some cool Wi-Fi enabled features, such as the ability to connect your smartphone and use it as a second camera for picture-in-picture recording. The only other major downside to the HCV770 is that its touchscreen is fairly low quality. However, overall this little camcorder offers excellent value for money. The fourth product on our list for today is the Sony a7R III, the best affordable mirrorless camera to be found on the market for 2022. The a7R III isn't a new camera, but that's part of what makes it worth considering. Since it's not the latest A7R camera from Sony, you can save a ton of money and get a powerful, high-resolution 42.4 megapixel sensor with in-body image stabilization, 4K video, and reasonably low noise when shooting at high ISOs. This camera will deliver both stunning stills and breathtaking video even in dim and challenging conditions. The 4K video you get from the a7R III is particularly great, as you can take advantage of both HDR video capability and 5K oversampling where the camera captures higher resolution video and downsizes it to 4K for an even crisper image. The Sony a7R III is really very affordably priced for a camera that easily beats most cameras within its price range. The third product on our list for today is the Panasonic Lumix GH5S, the best Micro Four Thirds camera to be found on the market for 2022. The Panasonic Lumix GH5S is a video-focused interchangeable lens camera with a Micro Four Thirds size sensor that, like the Sony a7S, has been built with low noise at high ISOs in mind. It features dual native ISOs that provide good-looking clean images all the way up to ISO 6400. However, it's not excessively sensitive, with a maximum ISO of 204,600. Still, that's good enough to make this an ideal and compact low-light video shooting option, and this performance is particularly impressive for such a small sensor. This sensitivity comes at a steep cost given the size of its sensor and lack of internal image stabilization. The Lumix GH5S is capable of shooting 4K at up to 60 fps and 1080p at up to 240 fps for some really cool slow motion. This camera also includes 10-bit color depth with 4:2:2 subsampling for footage that looks straight out of a cinema camera. You also benefit from being able to select from the wide range of affordable Micro Four Thirds lenses available. The second product on our list for today is the Nikon D7500, the best value low-light video camera to be found on the market for 2022. If you're looking for the best bang for your buck, the Nikon D7500 is the camera for you. This budget-oriented camera doesn't cut corners to come in at around $1,000. Its 20.9 megapixel sensor may be only DX, APS-C, size, but that's only a minor hindrance for this impressive camera. The D7500 boasts very low noise throughout a reasonable portion of 100 to 51,200 normal ISO range, which can be expanded to a crazy 164,000 ISO, though it will get very grainy at that point. This camera is capable of 4K video and has a robust and durable body. It can capture time-lapse videos and is compatible with Nikon's many f-mount lenses, both new and old. This makes it even more affordable if you don't mind buying older lenses that are still excellent despite their age. Overall, the D7500 is great for beginners, hobbyists, and even budget-minded pros. The first product on our list for today is the Sony a7S III, the overall best low-light video camera to be found on the market for 2022. The Sony a7S has always stood for sensitivity, and that is even more true for this latest in a line of low-light video royalty. The Sony a7S III retains the relatively low resolution of its predecessors, but fewer pixels mean bigger pixels, and that gives the a7S III a massive advantage over other cameras. Not only does it possess a spectacularly wide ISO range from 40 to 409,600, but it maintains excellent video quality throughout that range. That means this camera is capable of shooting at night with only the faintest of illumination to aid it, such as street lights or the moon. On top of sensitivity, this camera is capable of competing with genuine Hollywood cinema cameras, providing 16-bit RAW video, as well as slow-motion 120 fps at 4K resolution or 240 fps at 1080p. This is aided by a revamped menu system and a fully articulating LCD screen, all of which is paired with Sony's broad lineup of both first and third-party lenses. The third-party lens manufacturer support will be particularly appealing to budget-minded photographers, as manufacturers such as Tamron and Sigma produce lenses that provide professional quality at a fraction of the cost of those produced by Sony, Canon, and Nikon. That's all for now. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the latest prices. Like this video, comment and make sure to subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.